Hey guys, what's up? This is your girl Kundai Karen Mangena, and I'm back again with another video. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and also hit that notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a video. And yeah, so today's part 2 of making the Zulu beaded necklace, and this is just basically a continuation from where I left, although I had pushed like really a lot, so I just continued with the same pattern I was doing. And basically the measurements that you follow for the neckline is you measure according to your body type and according to your body, so you keep on doing, just checking whether it fits you or it doesn't. So if you see that it's fitting you, if it's not yet fitting your neck or right around your neck, you just continue inserting the beads and following that pattern. It's as simple as that. So basically that was the same thing I was doing right now, inserting the 12 beads and continuing the cycle, as you guys can see. So while we're at that, as you guys know, I'm from Zim, and in Zim there's currently some things that have been going on, and I'd just love for you guys to just stand with us in prayer and just pray for our nation, pray for healing, that God will heal our land. Yeah, it's really not easy, it is depressing at times, so yeah, please pray for us with this, you know, for God to heal our land, for restoration, that all things may be well with us again, you know. So basically I was continuing with the cycle. So I inserted 12 beads. So if you guys can check, it naturally creates a circle when you're leaving those 2 beads in between. I don't know what they do, but they just create this circular motion. So I think it's just basically the pattern. So you keep on repeating this cycle and keep on getting it to go. So you can actually do this with the smaller beads, right? And then you only alternate with the number of beads that you're going to be placing. You can either increase or decrease the number of beads that you're going to be inserting, but I just thought I should try it out with this big beads so that it's clear. I know normally it's hard to really see and learn when people are making it with the smaller beads, but this is the same technique that they use on the smaller beads on that place. I don't know what they call it. It's a Zulu beaded necklace, yeah. So neat and nice and small. So when you can grasp this concept with the big beads, I feel like you can then go to the small beads and then grow from there. Story time. There is a necklace that I was trying to film for you guys so that you can see it. I'm gonna make it pop right now, and I was trying it out and it was looking all nice. So I did film the video, but the video didn't come up nice, so I'd have to do it again and then re-film the video so that you guys can see it properly. The video wasn't as clear, there were some parts that were not coming out properly, so well, I was kind of disappointed, so I have to do that again, but it's really nice. So yeah, guess the story. But there's this necklace that I'm working on right now, and you guys are going to love it. You guys are going to love the tutorial, and hope you guys watch the video because I'm going to post it after this one. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. Like, don't forget to subscribe. I mean, I am trying my best to bring up good content and stuff. So yeah, please do support me by subscribing, by liking, and by sharing the video if you can. You know, I really want this channel to grow and to impact a lot of people's lives. There's a lot of things you guys can do. And also do check out my page on Instagram. It's called the Duchess of Africa. Duchess of Africa. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box. That's for my new accessories brand that I'm launching, that I'm working on, you know. So basically, if you do want to order, you can place an order through my via my Instagram page, or you can visit my personal page, which is at Kundai_Karen, and follow me there. And if you have any questions, do leave a comment and I'll surely attend to that. Or you can DM me on my Instagram, or you can send me an email. So this was the part that was the most crucial, which is the threading of the needle. So basically what you do is you take your other strand and thread it into the needle. That's a separate strand from the one you're using. And then you tie a knot and attach it to the strand that you're using, so it becomes one whole. You see? So that way it's easier to insert the beads, and unless if your strand is thin enough to go through the needle, then you can find an alternative way. But this is how I was training my thread once it was finished. So I really didn't count the number of beads I used in this project, neither did I count the size of the length of the thread that I used, so please forgive me on that one. And if you do make this and you do count the number of beads that you use, or the number of packets of beads that you used, please do leave the comment in the comment section below. I mean, this has been one of the most interesting projects I've ever done, because I've always wanted to make this Zulu beaded necklace, but I never got the chance to. But when I did it, I was like, yeah, man. The thing with me is I do love complicated designs. So here I'm going to insert 7 beads. So as I was saying, the thing with me is that I love complicated things. You know, I love things that challenge me. So once I make something that challenges me and I see that I can make it, I move on to the next thing. I don't like repeating. Like, for me, that's the hardest thing, to remake a design, to remake it over and over again. I hate monotony, literally. I hate doing one thing over and over again. So I do it, I get over it, and I do something new, something more challenging, you know? Something that gives me that type of hype, like, yo, this is challenging. So this is how you guys close, right? So after inserting 7 beads, I go to the 6th one, and then I insert my needle. This creates a circle. where your hook is going to be entering. So after going on to the sixth one, I go on the one that's below, the bottom. The one that was the joining one is the one I entered with my needle. And then I go to the next one below. So I insert my needle right to the next one. And then on the right side, I'm going to insert my needle. And then I insert the needle again onto the next bead, which was the 2 beads that you guys were counting from your right. Then I cut my thread and I tie a knot. So make sure your knot is really tight and just that your beads do not come out and they're not loose. At the same time, it shouldn't be too big. Just that it will be short. Again. Oh yeah, the other thing is when you're watching my videos, please put the video quality on 720 if it's not already there. Just you can increase the quality so that it's more clear. So basically insert the left strand onto the next bead on the right. So yeah, basically that was it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for all the support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video, leave a comment and hit that notification bell. Take care. God bless you all and bye.